Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to deactivate Messenger only, not Facebook. So first of all, open Messenger, click on to three line setting icon, scroll down, see more in account center, personal details, continue, and type here your profile password and then continue, and select this and type here your main region, click on to continue. And if you want to using Messenger, enable, or if you don't using Manager, disable this option, and then finally click on to deactivate my account, then successfully deactivate Messenger only, not Facebook. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.